Everyone dreams of self-improvement, but the problem is always consistency. We expect transformation overnight, then feel guilty when motivation fades. The 5-minute habit offers a smarter path. It removes pressure, builds confidence, and keeps you moving forward. Real progress doesn't need hours, it just needs a few focused minutes every single day. Have you ever promised yourself to exercise more or read books regularly? Then you failed after just a few days. You felt overwhelmed by the huge time commitment. This frustration is completely normal for most people. We often set goals that are too ambitious. This creates fear and makes us procrastinate immediately. But what if I told you there is a better way? The secret lies in making habits incredibly small. The 5-minute rule changes everything completely. It transforms big scary goals into tiny actions. Your brain cannot resist something taking only 5 minutes. This method defeats procrastination effectively. It builds momentum through consistent small wins. You focus on showing up daily, not being perfect. Imagine wanting to build an exercise habit. Instead of planning 1 hour at the gym, you commit to just 5 minutes of home workout. This feels manageable even on busy days. You might exercise longer sometimes, but not required. The key is maintaining daily consistency. Small repeated actions create big changes. This approach makes habit formation enjoyable. The psychology behind this is quite fascinating. Your brain loves quick, achievable tasks. Small successes release dopamine, making you happy. This positive reinforcement encourages repetition. Soon, the habit becomes automatic. You stop resisting and start enjoying. The 5-minute investment pays enormous dividends. Now let me guide you through the practical steps. Let me share the exact 4-step process. First, choose only one specific habit to build. Our brains work better when focusing singly. Do not try to change everything simultaneously. Pick something meaningful, yet simple. For example, instead of vague, "Get healthy," choose 5-minute walk. This clarity eliminates decision fatigue immediately. You know exactly what to do daily. Second, shrink your habit to 5 minutes maximum. Make it so small that resistance becomes impossible. Want to read more? Read just 1 page. Plan to meditate? Sit quietly for 2 minutes. Aim to write? Write only 3 sentences. The tininess removes all psychological barriers. You will often continue longer voluntarily, but the minimum remains easily achievable. Third, use habit stacking technique brilliantly. Connect your new habit to an existing routine. The formula is simple and powerful. After I do current habit, I will do new habit. For example, after morning toothbrushing, I will stretch for 3 minutes. After drinking coffee, I will write 1 gratitude sentence. This linking creates strong automatic triggers in your brain. Fourth, track and celebrate your progress visibly. Get a calendar and mark each successful day. Seeing the chain grow motivates tremendously. Never break the chain unnecessarily. Celebrate every small victory appropriately. Reward yourself with something pleasant. This positive reinforcement strengthens neural pathways. Your brain starts associating pleasure with the habit. Success with this method requires understanding key principles. Never extend the time, even when feeling motivated. Stop when your 5 minutes finish completely. This preserves willpower for tomorrow's session. It keeps the habit easy and sustainable long-term. Consistency matters more than duration always. Showing up daily builds identity as someone who keeps promises. Focus on appearing, not on being perfect. Some days you will feel tired or lazy. On those days, do just 2 minutes instead. The important thing is maintaining the streak. Perfection is the enemy of good habits. Missing one day is not a complete failure. Just restart again the next day immediately. Forgive yourself and continue moving forward. Patience transforms small actions into big results. A waterfall cannot erode a rock quickly, but consistent water drops create holes eventually. Your habits work exactly the same way. 5 minutes daily seems insignificant initially, Over months, it creates remarkable transformation. You build competence and confidence gradually. Trust the process and stay committed. Remember why you started this journey initially. Connect your small habit to bigger dreams. 5 minutes of reading builds knowledge eventually. Short daily exercise creates health benefits. Brief meditation develops mental clarity. Each tiny action contributes to your vision. You are building your future self today. Now take that first small step immediately. Let me share some powerful real-life examples. A busy mother wanted to exercise regularly. She started with 5 minutes of home yoga after waking up. Within 3 months, she naturally extended her practice. Now, she exercises 30 minutes daily, happily. Another person aimed to learn Spanish for years. He began with 5 minutes of language app daily. After 6 months, he could have basic conversations confidently. The key is making habits incredibly easy initially. Want to cook healthier meals? Start by washing 1 vegetable daily. Plan to declutter your home? Begin with 1 drawer weekly. Aspire to write a book? Write 1 sentence each morning. These tiny actions seem almost ridiculous, but they build momentum effectively. You prove to yourself that change is possible. Many people fail because they start too big. They join expensive gyms expecting instant transformation. They buy all equipment for new hobbies. This creates unnecessary pressure and guilt. The 5-minute method removes this burden completely. You only invest what you can spare easily. There is no room for failure or disappointment. Every completed session feels like victory. The most beautiful part is the compound effect. 5 minutes daily equals 30 hours yearly. That is 1 full work week of practice. Imagine spending 1 week solely on self-improvement. This consistent investment creates expertise eventually. You become what you repeatedly do daily. Small choices create big differences over time. Your future self will thank your present actions. Now I want you to take immediate action. Grab paper and answer this question honestly. What 5-minute habit could change your life? Be specific and realistic in your choice. Choose something deeply meaningful to you. It should align with your core values completely. This connection provides lasting motivation. Your answer matters more than you realize. Remember that perfection is not required here. Some days you will do less than planned. Other days you might skip completely. This is normal and completely acceptable. The key is returning consistently, always. Do not let perfect become enemy of good. Progress matters more than perfection always. Your consistency defines your success ultimately. Your life changes through small daily choices. 5 minutes of reading builds knowledge. Brief exercise improves health significantly. Short meditation enhances mental clarity. Tiny actions create massive compound effects. You are building your future right now. Each day offers new beginning opportunities. Your persistence creates your destiny eventually. Start your 5-minute habit today immediately. Do not wait for perfect conditions. There will never be perfect timing. Begin with whatever you have available now. Your future self will thank you gratefully. Small steps create beautiful journeys. You have the power to change everything. The time to begin is right now. Mistakes are not failures. They are signs of growth. Every time you try a new word, you are building a stronger base for your English. Be patient with yourself and allow the process to guide you. Small steps really make a big change. Keep in mind that practice is never wasted. Even short minutes today will become useful skills tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Stay confident, and we will continue this journey together in the next video.